In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the margin level in MetaTrader 5. If you're a trader or just getting started with trading, knowing how to keep track of your account details is vital for making informed decisions. Let's dive into the simple process of checking your margin level, which can help you manage your trades effectively. Begin by opening up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the bottom of the interface where you'll find the Toolbox panel. This panel is your command center for various aspects of your trading account. If it's not already visible, you can easily access it by going to the View menu and selecting Toolbox, or simply pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. With the Toolbox panel open, click on the Trade tab. This tab is specifically designed to display your current trading positions and account summary. It's like the dashboard of your trading activities, giving you key insights into your finances. Here, in the account summary section, you'll see several crucial pieces of information presented in a concise manner. First, you have the balance. This represents the total funds in your account before taking any open trades into consideration. In other words, it's your starting point for trading. Next to balance, you will find the equity. The equity reflects your account balance, plus or minus any floating profit or loss from your open positions. It's dynamic and changes as the market values of your open trades fluctuate, so keep an eye on it for an up-to-date reflection of your account's value. Then comes the margin. This figure indicates the funds currently tied up in open positions. Think of it as a reserve or collateral set aside by the broker to keep your current trades active. Understanding how much of your fund is used for the margin is crucial for managing risk. Adjacent to margin is the free margin. This number shows you the funds available for opening additional trades. It's essentially how much money you have left to play with after accounting for your used margin. If you're looking to initiate more trades, this is the value you'll want to monitor closely. Lastly, you'll see the level expressed as a percentage. This margin level figure gives you an insight into your account's health by calculating the ratio of your equity to the used margin, multiplied by 100. A higher margin level usually indicates more available free margin and a safer trading buffer, whereas a lower percentage suggests a potential risk of a margin call if the market moves against your open positions. Keeping the margin level at a healthy percentage helps prevent unwanted liquidations and ensures you're not over-leveraged. And that's pretty much what you need to know about checking your margin level in MetaTrader 5. Taking the time to regularly review these numbers can make a big difference in how you manage your trading account. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.